And how's it going, guys? Gallon here from Carphonix. I know it's been another whole entire week since I've made a video with you guys. Whew, how time flies, let me tell you. So behind me here, I got a 2008 Audi R8, and I did a deck in it. So I did a deck in it, and I didn't show you a single damn thing about how I did it. I know, guys, I know. You might as well shut this video off now while you're ahead of yourself. Unsubscribe. Oh, the tragedy. But what I thought I would do is I would show you what was involved in installing a deck into your Audi R8 if you've got one, because I know every single one of my subscribers has a 2008 Audi R8 Quattro, and I wanted to show every one of you guys how it's done. So we installed a DMX 905S doubled in with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If you guys are familiar with the factory stereos in these things, they're pretty much a brick. They're really, really horrible. They don't give you any sort of features, including USB, no Bluetooth, no auxiliary input. It's really just an AM/FM radio with a CD player and some really barbaric navigation. So this model of head unit that we installed in this bad boy here, of course, my compressor decides to turn on just as I'm making a video here, guys. But what I would do is I'd show you what's up, all right? So, made a dash kit for this thing. Fit this doubled-in radio into the hole ever so nicely. These factory radio controls are no longer, they don't do anything at all. And so what's involved is there's an NFEG radio adapter harness that integrates into the factory amplifier system on this car. It's just a basic EU55 antenna, actually basic EU56 antenna adapter. There is a custom factory backup camera retention harness, which is basically an EU10 to an RCA input. There is a factory backup camera module, which is behind me here, behind the driver's seat, gray plug, if you guys ever decided to do that. And you can retain your factory backup camera. It's not the best of clarity, to be completely honest with you. But, you know, nicey nice, guys. Nicey nice. Let's go ahead and I'll press agree here. Bam! And then if you put her into reverse, you got your factory backup camera there. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth hands-free. Our Bluetooth mic's up here. I think the fan is probably blowing into the microphone there. Pretty straightforward. As for the installation side of things, I ended up using the factory bezel on this, modifying it, sticking a cage in there. A little bit of how you doing, little bezel. Bob's your uncle. I think it looks pretty sharp, guys. So anyways, I thought I'd show you guys what that's all about. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you want to let me know what's up, you can message me at carphonix@gmail.com if you want me to install a deck into your Audi R8. No one makes a dash kit for this car. However, they do make all of the peripherals for it. Peripherals meaning you know, harness, antenna adapter, that sort of thing. You can retain your steering wheel controls, but you cannot, unfortunately, get a dash kit. You can, but they're like $3,000. It's like a custom fiberglass piece that like surrounds this entire thing, and it's just way too much. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate you guys subscribing. I know I didn't show you any of the process in which it was involved in doing the deck. It was quite a busy morning, and I wanted to get this done for the client today as opposed to tomorrow. You know how the saying goes, if you can get done today what you can't tomorrow. I think that's how it goes. I don't really actually know, but there's that, guys. So anyhow, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that freaking notification button down below. And we'll catch you guys in the next one, which will be shortly, I promise. Okay? Carphonix, signing out.